So let's get into one of the first things that you guys need to be aware of if you are a beginner, which is what exactly is Amazon affiliate marketing? Well, simply put, it's basically where you're going to sign up again for the Amazon Associates program. And once you've been accepted, you're then going to be able to have the access to promote any product that's currently available on Amazon. You're going to be able to get a unique link that Amazon is going to be able to know that it's you that sent that customer to them. And when someone clicks on your link and buys that product, you're going to be able to make a part of that revenue. And the good thing about doing Amazon affiliate marketing is that even if you promote a specific product that you believe is going to be good for a particular person, and they click your link and go onto Amazon and buy a completely different product, you're still going to be able to earn part of that revenue. But one of the key things that you need to be aware of is the cookie duration, which is the point from where the person clicks on your link and they actually place the order. Currently, Amazon have a 24-hour period, which means that the person needs to click your link and buy something within 24 hours for you to be able to qualify to earn that commission. But in saying that, if you're able to structure things in the right way and you're able to build the foundations of your affiliate marketing business in the right way, then you're going to be able to make a decent amount of money as long as you follow the steps that I'm going to lay out in this video. So jumping straight into one of the initial things that you're going to need to be aware of, which is how exactly do you sign up to the Amazon affiliate program? Now, you're going to need an Amazon account. So the same Amazon account that you may use to buy things from, you can use that exact same one to sign up to the associates program. So what you're going to need to do first things first is to go over to your Amazon homepage. So if you're based in America, it's going to be amazon.com. If you're based in the UK, it's going to be .co.uk. If you're based in France, it's going to be .fr. Whatever the case is, you just need to go to the correct Amazon domain. Then what you need to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom. Then you should see the section over here that says make money with us. And under this section, you're going to see this one over here that says become an affiliate. So once you've clicked on that, it's going to take you to this page where it's going to give you a little bit of information on exactly how everything works. So of course, you're going to need to sign up. Then you're going to need to recommend products, and then you're going to be able to earn up to 10%. Now, the actual commission that you're going to be able to earn is going to be dependent on which products you're promoting. But I'm going to give you a little bit of information on that a little bit later on in this video. But what you do need to do from this point is to click on sign up. It's then going to ask you to log into your account, and then from there, once you've confirmed that, it's going to take you to this page where it's going to ask you for any website that you may have or any mobile app that you may also have. Now, let's focus on the website section because I'm sure most of you don't have any mobile apps. But specifically when they say that you're going to need to insert a website, now this can either be a blog website or it can be a YouTube channel, it can even be Instagram account, any social media really. You're just going to need to put the URL for it in this section. And you don't need thousands or hundreds of thousands of followers for you to get accepted. Even if you've only got 100 people on your social media platform, that should be okay for you to get accepted and be able to move over to the next stage. And the reason why I believe this is because when I initially signed up to the Amazon Associates program, I only had maybe about 100 followers, 200 followers, and I was still able to get accepted fairly easily. So don't get intimidated when you get to this stage here. Just put whatever social media account that you have and then proceed to the next stage. So for now, I'm just going to insert one of my blog websites and click on add, and then click on next. So once you get to the profile stage, it's then going to ask you to enter all of this information. Now, specifically when it comes to the preferred associate store ID, you're going to be able to put anything that you want to. I don't believe that it needs to be something specific. You just need to be able to put something that you're going to be able to remember that is related to this particular account that you're setting up. In this section here, you could just put a couple sentences of what type of content that you're going to create. And this is actually a very important point because when it comes to doing any form of affiliate marketing, you guys need to know, if you're a beginner, that content is king, and it's super important that you understand that you're going to have to create some form of content for you to be able to drive traffic to your affiliate links. And they're going to ask you, what type of content do you plan on making? Is it going to be a blog? Is it going to be a niche website? Are you going to go after search engines? Whatever type of content that you plan on creating, or whatever you think is applicable to your situation, you need to enter it into this section. And of course, if you change your mind later on, it doesn't really matter. Even if you plan on doing something completely different, once you get accepted for your Amazon account, you're then going to be able to promote it in any way that you want to. The only way that you're not going to be able to promote it is by using something like paid ads, because I believe in their terms and conditions, they state that you're not allowed to use paid ads. But if you want to use TikTok, YouTube, a blog website, whatever, you're going to be able to do that if you want. But once you have completed all of this and you've entered all of the necessary information, all you need to do is click on finish. And then from that point, Amazon should get back to you within 24 hours, 48 hours to let you know if your account has been approved. And the way that you're going to be able to know that your account has been accepted is once you log back onto the Amazon homepage, you should see this gray bar at the top. And this is basically where you're going to get your affiliate links for all of the different products on Amazon from. And to show you exactly how it works, I'm going to type in a random keyword over here, which is laptop. And as you can see, there's all of these different laptops that we're going to be able to start promoting. But let's say if I wanted to get an affiliate link for this one over here, all I simply need to do is click into it just like that. And then I'm going to be able to come over here to where it says text. And right there, as you guys can see, there's the affiliate link that when someone clicks into it, I'm going to be able to earn a commission. And this actually now brings me on to one of the next key things that you guys need to know if you're a complete beginner, which is what exactly are the best type of items to promote on Amazon. Now, as you guys already know, there's hundreds of thousands of items, if not millions of different products that customers can start buying. But one thing that a lot of new affiliate marketers get confused on is which one is going to bring the highest return. Now, there's so many different ways that you can look at this. You can look at it in terms of the commission percentage that you're going to earn, and you can look at it in terms of the actual value of the item. And when I say that you should look at it in terms of the commissions that you're going to be able to earn, the reason for that is because different items have different commission rates. Like for example, over here, I've broken down some of the most popular product categories that are on Amazon right now, and I've also broken down the standard commission rate. Like for example, if you promote an item that is under the Amazon games category, you're going to be able to earn up to 10%. However, if you promote something in the home category, you're going to be able to earn 7%. And if you promote one of the most popular items that people are buying on a consistent basis on Amazon every day, which is the electronics and computer category, you're going to be able to earn up to 3%. So for me personally, I like to spend my time building traffic sources where I'm promoting items from this particular category, even though it's not the highest percentage. But the main reason for that is because the price of the item is much higher. So even though I'm going to be earning a less percentage than other categories, I'm going to be able to earn a lot more money because the cost of the item is a lot more. So to answer the main question, which is what is the best types of items to promote, I would say things like cameras, mobile phones, laptops, computers, anything within these types of items is definitely going to bring you a decent return back. Alright guys, so moving on to one of the final questions that I want to answer that I know most of you have in your head right now, which is, but Sam, how exactly am I going to get people to see and click my affiliate links in the first place? Well, there's so many different methods out there that you can use when it comes to building up awareness and building up people to see your affiliate links, but two of the main ways that I like to do it is by either building a YouTube channel where I'm showing my face, or a faceless channel, or building a blog website. So depending on whichever type of content that you prefer to produce, whether video content or written content, you can either do both or you could just pick one of them. But to show you an example of someone that has built a blog website and they're also making money from the Amazon affiliate program, which is this one over here. So this person has built their website with the intention of reviewing cameras. So they've got multiple different reviews for hundreds of different cameras that are currently available on Amazon right now. And the reason why I know that they're making money from Amazon is because if I just scroll down just like this, right here at the top, they've got their Amazon affiliate link, so that when someone clicks into this link, they're going to be able to make that commission. And being able to do something like this yourself shouldn't be that difficult, and it's not going to be that expensive, because if you use the link in my description, you're going to be able to sign up to something called Hostinger, where it's going to cost you around $2, maybe $3 every single month. But the good thing about using Hostinger is that if you do use that link down below, you're going to be able to get a free domain. So for example, once you do create an account, this is a similar page to what you're going to see, and you're going to see this option here that says claim domain. So once you just click on it just like this, you're going to be able to find a suitable domain for whatever website that you're looking to build. But of course, in this case, we're looking to build a product review website. So I'm going to search for a domain called perfecttechreviews.com and then check availability. All right, perfect. So the domain is available and I'm going to be able to claim it if I wanted it. But of course, I'm only showing you this as an example, but this is what you're going to be able to do with Hostinger. But not only that, you're also going to be able to use AI technology when it comes to building the actual website. Because for example, if I click on websites over here and then click on this and then click on change template, it's going to give me the option to use the AI builder. So if I just click on this option right there, as you guys can see, it says that they're going to help me create a site within 1 minute. So if I just click on start creating, all I simply need to do is answer these 3 questions, and then from there I'm going to be able to get the first draft of my website. So I'm going to fill out this information description, and I'm going to be back in a couple seconds. All right, so for the brand name, I put Perfect Tech Reviews. For the website type, I selected blog. And for the description, I put, we are a website that creates blog articles about the latest tech and gadgets, e.g. laptops, cameras, and mobile phones. So I'm just going to leave it as this and then click on this option. Okay, and just like that, from start to finish, it's only taken me maybe about 5 minutes to get to this point, but I've now got an idea of what my website might look like. It's put all of the text for me, so I didn't have to think about all of this. Of course, I'm going to be able to change it if I want to, but all of the images have been put here, all of these different elements and all of these different sections, everything is here, and I'm going to be able to get an idea of what the website is going to look like. If I click on preview, it's going to show me exactly how it's going to look either on a mobile phone, or if I wanted to know how it's going to look on a desktop, I'm going to be able to select this option. And then of course from this point, this is where the real work starts. You're going to have to actually produce all of the articles, you're going to have to get all of your affiliate links, and you're going to have to be very consistent when it comes to building up your website. But again, if you did want to sign up to Hostinger so that you can use their AI builder and you wanted a discount, make sure that you use the link in my description and the coupon code. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. It really helps out the channel in a big way, really helps out the video. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification. And if you wanted to sign up to a completely free email newsletter where I'm going to personally send you out an email when it comes to educating you on exactly what you need to know if you're looking to make money online, whether it's an email about doing Amazon FBA, starting a dropshipping business, and of course doing Amazon affiliate marketing, then you're going to be able to sign up to that again for completely free by clicking the first link in the description down below. And if you also want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down some key things that you need to know if you're looking to make the most money possible with an affiliate marketing business, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that out straight after this one because it's already helped out thousands of people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. All right guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.